Hi guys, happy hump day. Yes, I'm recording this on a Wednesday. I'm a little late today. I'm feeling a little congested, coming down with a cold, so droopy eyes and the congestion. Please bear with me on my final closing tips. Okay, so we have gotten to the final stage. Basically, we've done the appraisal, we've gotten all that under control, you know, and the next step is really just closing this deal. Now, my tip number 7 is be patient. Be patient, because what is going to happen is they're going to schedule a closing date. 99% of the time, that closing date does not happen. Sometimes it does, but 99% of the time, it doesn't close on the date that it is scheduled. And the reason being is because at the last minute, sometimes the underwriter, depending on how long it took from the initial approval to the closing table, may need some more documentation. So really my tip is to connect with your lender, connect with your realtor, make sure that you have that close communication with them to make sure that they have everything they need. And even at that, you're probably still going to end up having to give them some more information towards the end. And that's normal. That is completely normal during a closing process. It is not your lender's fault or your mortgage broker's fault. It is not your realtor's fault. It's really documentation that's needed by the underwriter of the loan. So bear with us. Everybody's on the same team. We're all trying to close your deal. And obviously, because we don't get paid if you don't close. So we want to make sure that your deal closes. So everybody's working on the same team. But my final tip is please be patient. You will get to the closing table. It's just sometimes you run into little snags. So just be patient. I know you're excited about, you know, getting into your house. I know you're excited when you're about to close, but just have that little patience with the process, because sometimes it does get a little hairy towards the end. But you're going to have your home. You're going to be situated. And of course, please remember also that before closing, you have to have homeowners insurance in place. So before you go to closing, make sure that you connect with your realtor and your lender again to make sure that if there's anything that needs to be done before closing, that you get it done. And don't go shopping until the end of closing. Unless you sign that paperwork and you already have the keys to that house, please do not go shopping, which I mentioned in my before video. Make sure that you don't do that, okay? But I hope that my videos helped you. I hope that you have a better understanding of the home buying process, and that if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I am here for you. I am your Florida realtor. So if you need any help, of course, give me a call at 786-226-7145 so we can get the home buying process. Also, the other thing I wanted to mention, please don't worry so much about the interest rate. If you are currently renting right now, you're paying 100% interest. So don't worry so much about the interest rate when you get your loan. Really, it's still better than renting, because renting, you're paying 100% of interest on something that you don't even own. So hope those tips help you. See you next time.